Yes, this is Paul Brennan. My daughter is Beth Brennan. I called earlier.
Doesn't look like anybody's been there for a while.
She doesn't go to school anymore. She ended up meeting this guy named Eddie.
You know this guy?
Everybody knows this guy.
It's about the girl that you've been living with.
My daughter. This ain't no prison cell. Thought this was a life and death situation.
It is. For you.
It's definitely him.
It's been 20 years since he's been seeing the city.
I did something years ago, and I'll never forget the look in her eyes.
If the prince is here, bring him to me.
They're gonna try to kill me, and they'll kill you. So I need you to listen to me, and I need you to trust me.
People that have limbs that are amputated still feel the pain in that limb, even though it's not there. I feel that pain. I see him looking back at me.
Nobody gets hurt.
I'm gonna need mercury tip bullets. I may even need. How many you got?
Not that I forgive you. Only God forgives.